Hello, it's Luke Pelletieri from the Pro Tax team, and we're going to be looking at how to fill out the Schedule 8 form in Pro Tax. To begin, we first need to add the S8 form to our return, and we can do so by selecting S8/S8 class. So now you can see we have two forms. So we have the traditional S8 CRA form, but we don't actually fill out the S8 to start. We have two additional worksheets in Pro Tax that we use beforehand. So as you can see, we have the S8 class and we have the S8 lease. Now, the S8 class is for all items that require CCA calculations based on entries on undepreciated capital cost at the start of the year. For the S8 lease, that is for leasehold improvements. So before filling out any information, make sure you differentiate your assets between what needs to go on the S8 class and the S8 lease. Kicking off with the S8 class form, once the worksheet is open, you will see the details of CCA by class and your items. So this is for each individual item that you would like to claim CCA for. If you'd like to add additional items, you can select Add New, and this will be for each individual items. So let's go ahead and select details for item 1. And in here, you can select all the information related to the item. So let's say it's a class 1 asset, and we can just scroll down for now. Under undepreciated capital cost, start of the year, let's put in 50,000. And cost of acquisitions, normal additions, we'll put in 10,000. And once we hit back, that will all populate, and we'll go into the S8, and you'll see that it populates right here under Part 2 CCA calculation. And once you fill out the S8 class and each item, you will get all the necessary calculations right onto the S8 directly. Similarly to the S8 class worksheet, we have the S8 lease. It works the same way. If you need to add more items to the S8 lease form, you can do so by selecting Add New, and that's the second item, but I don't have a second item right now. So we're going to hit Details for the first one. You will enter the lease termination date, so we'll put that in, and we can put the description. It's a building. Now, once we have entered that, we can select Details. And similar to the S8 class, you would just fill out all the information and the blue fields will automatically calculate based on your entries. So we'll put in 25,000. And on depreciated capital cost of start of year, we'll put in 50,000. We're just putting in values just so you can get a sense of how it calculates. And we can hit back and go back into the S8. And just like with the S8 class worksheet, you can see the second line for S8 lease, that all populates there. So once you actually add in all the values you need to, either on the S8 class or the S8 lease, the values will begin to populate and calculate on the S8 form itself. And that was how to fill out the S8 form using the S8 class and S8 lease worksheets in Pro Tax. For more information on features in Pro Tax, please visit the link on screen, or if you'd like to watch any other tutorials, we have a playlist on our YouTube channel with more videos related to Pro Tax. Thank you so much for watching.